Have you ever felt painful or uncomfortable to eat and drink because of the ulcers erupting around your mouth? Well, they are called canker sores, and you've probably tried some home remedies to reduce the pain, right? In this video, we will talk more about canker sores and learn some helpful tips on how to get rid of canker sores. First, let's get to know more about them. As we mentioned above, canker sores are common. Around 20 to 30% of people have them. Younger adults and women are more likely to have them. While the causes of most canker sores are unknown, some underlying conditions, such as problems in the immune system and vitamin deficiency of vitamin B12, zinc, and acid folic, stress, hormonal changes, and food hypersensitivity, particularly to coffee, eggs, nuts, spicy, and acidic foods, are reported to trigger canker sores to develop as well. Luckily for us, in most of the cases, canker sores don't require urgent medical attention. There are many easy ways for you to relieve canker sores. So, how do you get rid of canker sores overnight? Right now, I'd like to recommend 10 remedies that you can easily use at home which have a high success rate. They are very effective without any side effect. Let's check them out. Alum. All you need to do is apply a small amount of alum directly on the canker sore. Wait for a minute without swallowing the alum and then spit it out. You don't have to rinse your mouth with water afterwards. Alum would help to relieve the pain caused by canker sores quickly. A slight burning sensation might occur, which is normal. This remedy works on small canker sores only. Coconut oil. You can use a cotton swab to apply coconut oil directly onto the canker sore. Leave the oil to absorb and relieve the pain. You don't have to spit it out or rinse your mouth with water. Coconut oil, with its antimicrobial agents, will reduce the pain as well as the burning sensation. You can apply coconut oils on canker sores 2 to 3 times per day. Honey and turmeric. You can mix a teaspoon of honey and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to form a fine paste. Apply the paste directly on the canker sore for about 10 minutes. Then rinse your mouth with water. You can use this remedy 2 times per day. With the powerful antiseptic properties, honey and turmeric will help to relieve the pain from canker sores. Tea tree oil. It is also useful to minimize the risk of canker sores developing again. Just add from 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil into a glass of water. Rinse your mouth with this glass of water. Alternatively, you can apply the tea tree oil directly onto the canker sores. Do it 2 to 3 times per day. Try mixing a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of warm water. Gargle with this water for 1 to 2 minutes. You can try this remedy several times a day until the pain from canker sores goes away. How to get rid of canker sores on your mouth? If you have Listerine or other brands of mouthwash at home, use it to treat canker sores. Rinse your mouth with the mouthwash several times a day and rinse your mouth again with clean water. Mouthwash is antibacterial to help reduce the infection. Moreover, it numbs the sores for you to feel less pain. Another remedy to try is to use fresh aloe vera pulp. First of all, you can use a cotton swab to dry out the canker sores in your mouth or tongue. Then, squeeze some pulp of aloe vera directly onto the canker sores. Leave it there without spitting out or rinsing your mouth. Do it 3 times per day. Aloe vera is full of curative powers as well as antiseptic compounds to help heal the canker sores. Do you like eating kiwi? If the answer is yes, lucky you. You can eat a kiwi per day to eliminate canker sores. A portion per day for a few months will provide your body with a lot of vitamin C to boost your immune system. This in turn will prevent the canker sore from developing in the first place. For long-term treatment, you can use vitamin B12. Take a capsule of vitamin B12 before you go to bed every day for a few months. This treatment is used in case canker sores develop due to the lack of vitamin B12. Taking this vitamin will resolve the deficiency problem as well as preventing canker sores from forming in the future. Last but not least, If you are looking for how to get rid of canker sores fast, opt for using ice. A few ice cubes will numb areas around the canker sores and make you feel relieved instantly. It is always better to prevent the canker sores from developing in the first place rather than finding a way to relieve them once they are there. Since in most cases, the development of canker sores has no definite causes, there is no sure prevention method as well. Still, you can try these following tips to reduce the risk of getting canker sores. First, avoid spicy and acidic foods. Instead, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. Second, avoid abrasive foods that tend to stick in the mouth, such as potato chips. Moreover, stop using toothpaste with mouthwash, which contains sodium lauryl sulfate. And lastly, avoid rubbing against the ulcers with toothbrush bristles and other harsh tools. As we already told you, canker sores have two main types. The first one is the one that you can seek treatments at home. However, for the second one, you need to see your doctor for further medical treatment. So, when do you need to see your doctor? In case your canker sores last for more than 2 weeks and these sores do not improve or even get worse and worse, go see your doctor. If you encounter canker sores so frequently, more than 3 times or so, or when new canker sores develop when the old ones haven't healed yet, you also need to see your doctor. And if the development of canker sores goes along with other symptoms such as diarrhea, high fever, headache, or skin rash, you should also seek for medical advice soon. We hope that from this video, you now know some of the methods on how to get rid of canker sores on tongue and mouth fast. These methods are all easy to follow, safe, and effective.